All right, boys and girls, we're going to practice our letters and our sounds. Remember, our goal is to pick it up, be able to say our letters and our sounds in a quick manner. So I'm going to show you your letters. You tell me the letters and the sounds. Remember, I'm going to go quick because I want you to go quick as well. So be able to quickly identify the letter and quickly identify the sound. So I'm going to go a little fast. I want you to be able to go fast too, okay? Here we go. Letter, sound. 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 Awesome. So I hope and you should have gotten all your letters and all your sounds correct. So let's go over them and make sure you have your answers right. Here we go. Letter L, sound L. Letter G, sound G. Letter W, sound W. Letter V, sound V. Letter S, sound S. Letter Y, sound Y. Letter E, sound E. And then long E says, good, E. Letter A, sound A. Long A says, A. Letter B, sound B. Letter R, sound R. Letter C, sound K. Letter Q, sound Q. Letter D, sound D. Letter P, sound P. Letter U, sound Long U says U. Letter F, sound F. Letter T, sound T. Letter K, sound K. Letter J, sound J. Letter I, sound I. And long I says I. Good. Letter H, sound H. Letter O, sound ah. And long O says oh. Good. Letter N, sound N. Letter X, sound X. Letter Z, sound Z. Letter M, sound M. So very good job if you got those all right. I'm very, very proud of you. Remember to keep practicing, keep practicing. Make sure you're reading those sight words. Make sure you're reading those sentences. And please make sure you're getting your packet done. All right, see you soon.